Good afternoon, my name is Mark Nicotra. I am the supervisor of the town of Salina and represent nearly 34,000 residents and hundreds of business owners that call Salina their home. The town of Salina is located at the crossroads of New York where Interstates 81 and 90 come together. And the proximity to the interstate system is Salina's greatest asset in attracting and retaining businesses and also making Salina a convenient place to live. In the 1950s, the area of 7th North Street and Buckley Road in Liverpool was dominated by farmland and open spaces. Fast forward to today, and that same area is now dominated by hotels, restaurants, and a host of other businesses. The reason is simple: Interstate 81. Thousands of jobs, which in turn buy gas, eat meals, get prescriptions, and have a drink after work. The effects of less access to Salina will domino across all walks of life and all industries. When Interstate 81 was being built in the 1960s, there is no doubt that it isolated and tore apart the Syracuse neighborhood. Let's not repeat history by tearing down Interstate 81 and cutting off the northern suburbs. Replacing I-81 with a boulevard and rerouting that traffic will rob businesses along the highway of a vital revenue source, putting jobs and the local economy at risk. City streets will be flooded with more cars and congestion, meaning longer commutes, and increased response times for first responders during emergencies. More idling and traffic lights will lead to more vehicle emissions and air pollution, and towns outside Syracuse could be faced with more heavy traffic barreling down their roads. I urge you to abandon the boulevard idea and instead focus on alternatives that will keep I-81 flowing through Syracuse and better serving the community's needs. The Interstate 81 project is a once-in-a-generation opportunity that impacts the future of our region. Let's make sure it's the right impact to drive Central New York.